Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to translate the paragraph on Apple Notes so that you can learn into another languages or understand the article that you have just got. So how to do that? You just need to open the Apple Notes application, and right after that you can just find the paragraphs that you already created before, so you are already prepared to. I got these articles on my Apple Notes, so here let's just translate it into other language. How to do that? You just need to block all of the paragraph here. You just need to do double tap and just go drag it into the whole paragraph. Right after that there will be pop up in options over here. Click this arrows on the right side and there will be translate button here, so you just need to click it, and there will be options about the language that you can choose. So you can just here will be the information about the language that you use for the article, and this one is for your preference for other language that you want to translate to. So you just need to go click it, and you just need to pick which language that you want to have. So let's say here I will let you change it into the Thailand, so let's just click Thai, and now you already got this Thailand's articles. And if you want to get this for your new paragraph, you just need to go click this replace with translations, and you're done. So that is the way how to translate the paragraph on Apple Notes. So hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.